Hello guys, I'll show how to run and compile the Java code of Hello World, and the native language is C. So first my folder here is this JNI, in which I have my Hello World folder, and I've already written the Java and C codes. I'll show those codes. This is my hello world.java. So let's first compile this. I'll create a header file in the same directory. For this hello world.java. Now here we can see that dot class and this header file has been created. Now next we'll compile the hello world.c file. This is my native code of hello world.c, and I'll compile this. For this here I have included jni.h and stdio.h libraries, so we have to include the paths of those libraries wherever they are present. So I'll show where so there must be a environment variable set in your laptop or computer. You can check it by going in control panel, system and security, system. Here you have advanced system settings, their environment variables, and here I have set this system variable GRE home path to C:\program files Java JDK. So let's go there and check. This PC C:\program files Java, and this is JDK. Now here inside my include folder I have this jni.h library, and inside this include folder I have this Win32 folder for Windows, and I have this jni.md library, and I want both of them for my program to compile this, for the native code to compile. So I'll write this command like this: gcc here we write GRE home in percent inside those mod symbols, so that we are specifying the path which we have stored in the environment variable. And here inside the include folder we have to go. This I won't close here, I'll close it with %. And for jni.md we have to go in Win32. Now we'll write the name of our C file, which is hello world.c, and we have to create an output file for it. I'll name that also as hello world.o. So see, now here the file .o file has been created, this one here. Now next let's form the library. Library is the one that we load here this hello library, so we have to create this hello library as well. And in Windows it's the it has the extension of .dll, so we have to create this shared library, and its name will be hello.dll. Hello because I've loaded the library hello, so I have to create it also. And my output file was hello world.o, and then I'll write these commands. And now finally I'll run the Java program. Here CP is for the class path, dot is for current directory, and this is the command to run my JNI code. And all the files are present in this current path only, because here I am in JNI and hello and inside the hello world folder. So here I'll write dot for the current path, and then I'll just write the class name, and it prints the output hello world.